Hello dear students and welcome to the Bitcoin robot trading cryptocurrency never losing formula course. I am very happy to have you as my student, and in this first lecture I will introduce you to the course and what you are going to learn. First, there will be an introduction to the trading platform MetaTrader. I selected this platform because it works best for trading robots, and as you already know, I include such a robot in the course which you can use. Also, most of the brokers provide MetaTrader and it is a free platform, and that makes it so popular. You are going to learn the basics of the platform and the most important, how to trade with the robot on that platform. Next, I will demonstrate to you the never losing formula. Simply, the purpose of this formula is to exit every losing trade with zero losses or with a small profit. And you can apply this formula not just with the robot that I will provide you with, but with any other trading strategy. I have calculated the formula especially for the Bitcoin because it is one of the most traded assets and it's so volatile. Daily we have so many opportunities with the Bitcoin, and in this course you will learn how to trade in the right direction and at the same time how to add $200 in your account with every positive trade. And if the market goes against you, you will know how to use the never losing formula. I will show you the complete system that I follow step by step, what is the logic behind the robot, how I created it, how I tested it, and what results you can achieve with this strategy. I hope you will enjoy the course, and in the next lecture I will let you know how you can take the maximum out of this online course.